What's cracking? So, if you're interested in trading cryptocurrency using a decentralized exchange, a DEX, it's a great way to start safely. And unlike regular exchanges, DEX lets you trade directly without other people in the middle. So, you don't need a middleman. One of the best DEX exchanges is called Uniswap. All right? Uniswap. So basically, it's simple to use. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and many people like it because it doesn't require you to create an account, making it easy for beginners. All right. Now, another popular DEX is called SushiSwap. SushiSwap. Put it in the description. Known for its community focus, it lets you swap many different kinds of tokens and has features like yield farming, which lets you earn rewards for holding certain coins. All right. SushiSwap is also loved for its user-friendly design, making it a great choice for people that are new to crypto. PancakeSwap, that's number 3. Another top choice. Those that are interested in Binance love it. Smart chain tokens, everything's involved. PancakeSwap also, it offers fun features like lotteries and games, which makes trading a little bit more enticing. And so using DEX can be a great way to trade crypto while keeping control of your coins. Each of these platforms offers unique features to make trading fun and secure. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. We get what we give, and that's why I do it too.